Hello everyone, welcome back to Nisha's Maths Masterclass. And today I am going to explain make this third video, and the topic is parameter and area. Question number third. Everyone pay attention. The area of a rectangle is 102 square centimeter. Okay. Length is 17 centimeter, and we have to find out area. Okay. So the first and most important thing, whatever the things we know, that we have to first write down. Okay. So the first thing, that is means solution we have to write down. Okay. Now area of rectangle is equal to 102 square centimeter. Okay. Then length of the rectangle is 17 centimeter. So we don't know the breadth, correct? So first of all we have to find out the breadth. Area of rectangle is equal to L into B. Okay, now we know the area, so write down the area. Then we know length, but we don't know B. B means breadth. Okay, now 17 equation is there, correct? 102 and 17. Okay, B is there. So this 17 we have to transfer from left hand side to the right hand side. Okay, so 102 divided by 17 is equal to B. 17 6 are 102. Okay, so the breadth is 6 centimeter. Breadth is 6 centimeter. Now we know length and we know the breadth. So now it is to find out the area. Parameter होता ना, find out its parameter, correct? Its parameter. So now we have to find out parameter. Area already given. Sorry children, question I am writing there is parameter. Okay, so now parameter of rectangle is equal to 2L plus 2B. Okay, now 2L is 17 and B is 6. Okay, 17 2s are 34, 2 6s are 12. 6 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6 is there. 3 plus 1, 4 is there. Okay, so this is the parameter of this rectangle. Understand? Very simple and easy. Again I am going to explain. See, when we have to find out the area or parameter, so that time formula is important. Without formula it is not possible to find out the area, length and breadth. Now in this question they given square centimeter in area. Okay, area already we know, length we know, but what we have to find out? Parameter. So for to find out parameter we want breadth also, na? So how we came to know the breadth? So therefore area of rectangle you have to use, that is 102 square centimeter. Length is 17 centimeter. Now area of rectangle, so write down the formula of area, that is means L into B. Okay, now 17 centimeter it is the length. B we don't know, so write down B as it is. Now area of rectangle, that is means 102. So write down, that is below that word. Okay, then 17, this is right hand side and left hand side. Okay, now B write down as it is, and that 17 we have to transfer from this side to this side. Okay, so here it is in multiplication. So when we have to transfer here, so it is in division. Okay, so we have to write that 17 in denominator place. Afterwards we have to divide that 102 with 17. So we get the answer, that is means breadth 6 centimeter. Okay, now we get breadth. Now what we want? Parameter. So write down the formula of parameter. What is the formula of parameter? 2L plus 2B. Okay, so 2 multiply L means 17 plus 2 multiply B means 6. Okay, so 17 2s are 34 and 6 2s are 12. Okay, both the number we have to add with each other, then we get 46. That is the parameter of that rectangle. Understood children? If you like the content, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.